How to renew a GoDaddy domain, step-by-step guide. Is your GoDaddy domain about to expire? In this video, I'll show you how to easily renew your GoDaddy domain, so you don't lose your website or email. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to the My Products section. Here, you'll see a list of all your domains. If any of them are near expiration, you'll see a Renew Now button next to them. Click the Renew Now button for the domain you want to renew. GoDaddy will show you the renewal options. You can choose to renew for 1 year or multiple years, depending on your preference. GoDaddy also offers the option to enable auto-renewal, which ensures your domain automatically renews before it expires. After selecting your renewal period, click Continue to Cart. Review your order, and once you're happy with everything, click Checkout. Enter your payment details and complete the renewal process. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email, and your domain will be successfully renewed. Don't forget to check if auto-renewal is enabled for future convenience. This will save you from worrying about renewing your domain manually each year. And that's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now renewed, and your website is safe from expiration. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GoDaddy tips and tutorials.